I recently received this blonde wig. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take it out of the package. So the wig does come with an individual wig cap, very, very nice. And then this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it is a nice long blonde wig. It does come with netting. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the netting just to see what the wig actually looks like. And it's a blonde wig with bangs. Very, very nice, soft blonde wig. Take a look. It's like a platinum blonde color. This is what the top of the wig looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of the wig. It does have two clips up top. So it has a clip right here on both sides. And then the inside is lace. And then it does have these additional clips right here. So you could go ahead and adjust it, make the wig tighter. So let's go ahead and get the wig cap on and try this wig on. As you can see, I went ahead and put the wig on. All you have to do is just make sure you brush it out and style it accordingly. You can use very low heat. Since it's synthetic, you want to go ahead and I went ahead and blow dry the bangs just a little bit on a low heat setting, just to kind of give them a little bit of fluff since it has been in a package for a long time. But overall, it is so nice, so soft, very, very nice platinum style wig. Kind of gotta get used to the look, but if you're looking for a nice platinum wig, I would definitely recommend. This is a quick view of what the wig looks like from the back. And here's another front view of what the wig looks like. Overall, super cute and definitely very blonde.